Now we're going to turn it on. And if you guys can see, it's plugged in directly to there. The unit, you got power. All right, today we're going to bring an outdoor light, and this is great for entrances. All right, it has a motion sensor too. All right, so if you leave it on, it turns off automatically, dims down. Now, I didn't show you the best part of it. The best part about it is this. So say you have outdoor that you require power, you can always sync it out of this one. All right, you have two outlets in here, and you could connect 3-prong outlets in here. It has a reset and for each one. All right, so if you trigger, you have something higher than what it's supposed to, it automatically triggers down. It's a surge protector built in. You're going to require 3 cables connection. All right, you got your hot, neutral, and ground. Now, in order to remove the back end, you need to remove the 4 screws on the 4 sides. This is heavier because it's real glass, right? You are going to require a light bulb, maximum of 60 watts on the light bulb, or just be aware of that. If you're not familiar with this system itself, don't worry, they got you. They got instructions here, step by step, how to install it, how to set it up, and how to work this whole thing out. Right now, we're going to set it up in here so you guys can see it. We're going to add a light bulb. We're going to connect a couple things in here and see how it works. Let's go ahead and do that. All right. We're going to plug it in, and I get these connections in the back, easy for me to connect them. So green is always your ground, so green goes in green, and we got black, which is your hot. Put it in there, lock it in place, secure it. Now white goes to white, and this is a neutral, where I'm going to plug in this light bulb and this switch. All right, so I have a power cord I need to plug in. All right, and simple, just to plug in. All right, so you can see the sensor. So I'm going to plug this in, plug it in here. There it goes. Now we're going to turn it on. And if you guys can see, it's plugged in directly to there. The unit, you got power. All right. You could reset it. So you can have multiple light bulbs on at the same time. Very simple from the connection. All right, so I did put a 60 watts light bulb LED light, and it's very bright. Now, I love the actual glass that it has. The extra pockets that you can't see in here to plug in certain things right now. Sensor is working really well. So it dims down after a while. Real glass. Beautiful aesthetics for your outdoor. It's outdoor graded, waterproof. So love the fact that you could plug in things here. At the same time,